my toes.
Yeah, no, I'll stop before it gets that. Come forward a bit.
I'm videoing. I was waiting for a spurt of blood to come up on the screen.
Should have been eating Watsons.
Say it again. Fucking hell, boy.
No.
Come on, please. I'm not videoing, I'm videoing me.
Oh yeah, so you are.
Fucking hell, boy.
Stop.
She spoke to me. No, I'm eating my mouthful. Speaking of my mouthful.
It's okay, it's on YouTube.
Exactly.
Just be you.
She
Fucking hell, boy.
She spoke to me like she spoke to Rocky earlier.
Well, you're the dog of the house, so.
I'm the dog of the house now. I'm not in the dog house. I'm the dog of the house.
Yeah, in the dog house. Dog of the house, in the dog house.
You gonna join in my song?
My song.
Happy birthday to
To
you.
Stop.
Happy birthday to you.
Stick your head down. I was aiming for the T.
37 today, you are.
You're not bad for 37, to be fair.
Go on.
No.
Wrinkles. It's that anti-wrinkle cream.
Yeah.
Obviously, Rob hasn't been using it.
Oh.
Link below. Anti-wrinkle cream.
Yeah, Amazon. Get all the links.
There'll be about 1 million links now on all the videos. Link this.
They are good.
So what are we doing now? Having a brew.
Doing what all
Eating
workmen do,
what's
yeah.
this?
Doing what all workmen do. When you don't know what to do, yeah, brew tea break.
That wasn't a product placement or sponsorship by any way. I wish.
Yeah. But we need to figure out how to wire up his electrics. And as I've not done this from scratch, I need to figure it out. The good thing is though, this is pretty much the same system we're going to have, except for we're going to have bigger batteries and only 2 of them. And that's pretty much it. I think everything else is going to be very similar. So if I figure out how to do Rob's, then obviously it will help us when we go to do ours. So I need to figure it out basically. One way or the other, we need to get it done.
And I'm doing like all workmen do. I stand there and watch.
Yeah. Council job, innit?
Yeah.
2 people do the job, 1 person watching.
But you made the brews.
Yeah.
And you're doing what with the chicken?
I know. What was I doing?
We was going to be barbecuing it, but not now.
What was that
raining.
film we made you watch in the Lake District? Scary movie.
What film was it?
Scary, was it Scary Movie where he stuffed the chicken?
Oh, yeah.
With his manky
Yeah,
hand.
I'm still scars from that video.
What are you going to do to the chicken? I'm going to
Stuff the
stuff the
chicken.
chicken.
Right.
So it's about 7:30 at night, and we'll sit.
Yeah.
Work's just beginning.
Yeah, they've not done anything all day. I went out earlier for like 3 hours,
And did nothing.
and all they've done is fitted the reverse camera.
Yeah, but that was an epic job. Come on.
Yeah, I fitted a reverse camera.
And you blew a fuse.
And a blur fuse, yeah.
But we found a spare fuse. So
Yeah. 10-second rule.
I need to go on Amazon and purchase. Snooze, you lose. There's probably millions of metal and dog poo and everything all over them now.
Extra iron.
Extra protein. Get it in you. It's a bit like black pudding. Just get it in you.
This is going to be a long night, though, difficult. Trying to figure this out.
Perks of van life, people.
We're going to be having a bonfire, though, and some beers, so it'll make it better. It'll make
Cider?
It, cider, yeah. Rob's having beers. We're having cider.
You haven't got any whiskey. You drank all this whiskey from Scotland.
Yeah, all gone.
Yeah, but we're going back to Scotland, don't forget.
Yeah, we're not buying that whiskey again.
We're
I'm
going
going
to
to buy
go.
a big bottle.
We are going to do the Applecross Pass in winter in big vans.
Yeah, you can put right off.
What was that?
I see the other side.
No.
Not in my van. We're wheel drive.
So you'll fly up it then?
Yeah, literally.
You'll be pushing me up.
I'll be able to drive by them in November. So I'll be able to drive up it.
Doesn't mean you'll be able to drive the van. Not if I put you on insurance. It's my van.
This is what I get for building her a van. This is what I get.
I'm going to be like, when he actually starts driving, because I was like that with my Yaris, I was like, wow, can't actually like shout at him or like be kind of like, I'm on these really like, what's it, backseat drivers.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just grabbing to the seat and like, just get us there safe.
You're going to be one of those
I'm a good
passengers when
driver.
he starts driving going, are we there yet?
Yeah.
How much further? Are we there yet?
I get Rocky to join in as well.
No, he'll start howling.
I get him to find his balls.
You didn't even press play.
I know, yeah.
Record.
Perks of van life.
You got a happy birthday mug as well, look.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Tabitha.
I should have that
47 today.
Yeah, it's gone up to 10 years already.
Age that quick. Still look good though. Cream in the description below.
Where are you? There you are.
Hiding.
So the only people we're missing at this present moment in time, let me put that there, are,
Everyone, Tom's just in it.
no, Pilgrim Van Life.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Have they finished their van yet?
Yeah, you need Craig's out. Craig whizzed through his.
I know, have you seen these cabinet he's done now? We're just ripping your van apart.
Yeah. No,
Have
it's
you seen it on
awesome.
Instagram?
No.
He's built like a multi-cabinet thing out of plywood
Right.
and fitted it all in.
That's what I want for my van.
Oh, thanks. Nice one, Craig. Building the expectations.
Thanks, Craig.
Yeah.
That's it, my van's done.
Yeah.
We're just going to be walking around,
It's like
driving
a
around.
spaceship.
Yeah. It actually looks like a spaceship on that
They
as
called
well.
it the TARDIS.
The TARDIS. Yeah. It makes it really light in here though, because it reflects the light everywhere.
Yeah, until you start putting wood over the top.
Yeah, that makes it dull.
Cue music, cue time lapse. Ground control to me. We need to get some silver foil from the house, and we'll make our own like space helmets for the next part.
No,
of
because I'm messing around with electric. I'll fry myself.
Come on, go and get some, and we'll make some stupid hats out of silver foil, and we'll do it on the video, so we blend in. Can you see us?
I've just realised I drank a cup of tea. Where's the biscuits?
Don't know.
I've got no tea for my biscuits now.
Oh, you don't tea biscuits in tea.
Oh, this is devastation.
Tesco's fruit shortcake, making van life taste better.
I don't have any tea.
Every little helps.
This is not funny. You need to have a cup of tea if you're having biscuits. That's rule number one of van life.
Well, you actually need to get one to work if you want to go to bed tonight.
I could actually drink another cup of tea.
Yeah, I could with some biscuits.
Well, half your tea went down my leg, that's why.
Don't want any biscuits. Oh. Everywhere. Savages.
This is what it comes to when you live in a van.
Yeah.
Where's Archie when you need him?
Yeah. Been abandoned.
Welcome to me.
Then you just tie him up in the kennel in the garden and leave him there.
Yeah.
You'll be getting complaints.
So I've got to be totally honest with you. I've sold Archie to some gypsies.
Mm.
Just to, I had enough money to finish the van.
Yeah, he needed some money.
I heard they were meat producers, weren't they?
Yeah, a lot of meat on him though. Paid good money, didn't they, for him because of that?
It was a Chinese travelling company. They just needed some dogs. I needed 10 quid
Yeah.
to finish the van off. So I'm going to have to change the channel to just and me.
Imagine that's a name and me. That'd be pretty cool to be fair.
I was sat there the other night. Not that I'm going to do this, by the way. Like, what it happens if I continue this journey with Archie, then he leaves us, God forbid. What would I call my channel?
Yeah.
I'm not going to say what I plan to do in case someone pinches it, but...
I think I'd
Really?
do 4 to be fair.
So go,
I'm
4
sucking my
each.
dick.
You got to get them all in at once, come on. And then you got to tell me a joke.
You look out!
And then you got to sing happy birthday to myself.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh,
What? Say again.
it doesn't work.
Oh.
Oh, what kind of what?
No, I could get my lips closed.
Oh god.
It's so bad. It's not a good idea.
Mm.
Don't let Rob talk you into these things.
Welcome to my life.
This is what happens when you've been in the army, you see. You sit at your desk, shoving biscuits in your mouth.
This is actually like what we do or used to do in the army. People think we were actually professionals, but we're actually not. We just do random stupid stuff.
Big kids.
Like if you see a pack of biscuits, how can you fit in your mouth? I don't know, I'll give it a go. And then you got cardiac arrest and you're just defibrillating someone because they've got biscuits trapped in there.
Yeah. How did I die?
You've gone red.
Yeah.
I was nearly choked to death.
From biscuits. From killed by fruit shortcake.
Oh,
Tell me when I'm on.
we always give some to me, Hannah.
You're on. This is Rob's attempt again.
He's
He's
chewing that.
chewing. This is not fair. That's mental. You can tell he's had practice of doing this before.
He's obviously had big things in his mouth before.
Obviously, you haven't, Tabitha.
That's not an offence to me, is it, Liam? Is it?
No! No!
No, you. We look like a bunch of tramps in a van.
He just said he had a small one.
No!
Oh, this is not on.
No! I don't say it.
I'm sad.
My mouth is like the Sahara Desert.
Have you done the cinnamon challenge?
No.
That's it. That is like the Sahara Desert. You can't swallow that for anything. Right, cut.
Oh my god. I didn't even bring a toothbrush with me or anything.
Do you need to do some recording, or are you alright?
No, I'm alright.
You should do some recording while you're here.
Well, I have done, but
So where are we now?
right, we've got the smart controllers secured to the board that we're going to use to organise everything. The B2B's on there as well. The fuse box is on there, but breaker, but that's not all hooked up or anything. We're just starting to set up the batteries now. So we've got positive, 3 batteries, and they're in parallel. It's parallel, not series. So positive to positive to positive, then negative, 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 and then one negative goes out to the wall, or to Earth, which will be here. And then the other positive goes out and feeds power to everything else. Or receives power from everything else as well.
Earth is the world.
Earth is the world, yeah.
And the inverter to put in and...
Yeah, so we're getting there slowly, but yeah, I mean, it's all progress at the end of the day, no matter how slow it is. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Cool. Carry on. So it is about... Head talk show so you can see me. Hello, it's me again. It is about 10:20 at night.
Yeah, we're still going. Well, we've hit a roadblock.
Where are you there?
Yeah, we've hit a roadblock. Issue is we don't have enough terminal connectors, so everything's been put on hold basically. Hold on.
Go on.
Yeah, so everything's been put on hold basically because we've managed to set the batteries up.
Oh, let's do this again. So it's about 10:20 at night, and we are stuck.
Yeah, we've hit a roadblock. Basically, what the issue is, we've run out of these connectors for with a 10mm hole in, because on the C-Tech, I think it's 10 or 8mm, but anyway, this is 6mm, so it's not big enough basically. And I need one of them to make an earth from the C-Tech charger. And obviously without an earth it won't work, and I don't want to connect it. I don't want to connect the solar panel up without an earth, just in case it kind of goes wrong and anything, I don't know, shorts or anything like that. So yeah, we can't finish it off. But what we have managed to get done is the batteries are in, they're all earthed up and stuff. We've got a positive running through a fuse breaker to the C-Tech, and then we've got cables running from the C-Tech to the MPPT smart solar charger. All we literally need to do is put an earth from the C-Tech, obviously, to earth, and then we can run the 2 cables, positive and negative, from the solar panel, hook it all up, and it should work fine. But that's going to be put on hold until Thursday, because that's when the parts are coming.
And then all we're going to do is I've got to go home tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then on my way back here, I will collect more wood so we can build a bed frame.
Yeah, so at least tomorrow's not going to be wasted.
Yeah.
We'll actually be still doing stuff tomorrow.
build the bed frame, get the legs in and partition it all off and secure more things then, and then we can literally put a mattress on.
Yeah. And then Rob can sleep when he goes to get his gas fitted.
Yeah, on Friday.
Yes. But it's kind of annoying because like we got to this stage now and I want to finish it to see if it actually works and see if I fitted it right.
But we've been going since 3 o'clock, so we've got a reversing camera all wired in and fitted, and now all this, so...
Yeah. I think we don't think we did too bad.
Yeah, we've done, you know, I'm eternally grateful for you guys. So we're literally, I'm just going to turn this off. Try now.
I'll stand up.
So it's, like I said, it's nearly 10:30 at night now. So
Yeah.
we're literally going to call it quits.
Yeah,
and
waiting for food to cook.
we're going to have chicken burgers.
Yeah, chicken fire burgers, homemade as well, homemade. And then we're going to have a little fire pit, basically, little fire. And a few beers and relax.
And that's it. We'll chill out. So we'll do another video later.
Yeah.
Of us just chilling out.
Next to the fire.
Yeah.
Getting toasty because it's getting cold now.
Even though with all this insulation, it is freezing with the side door open.
Definitely. Definitely. That's why you need heat on.
Yeah, it'd be a massive difference when you're in here with the bed and the heating on.
Yeah.
I might stay down in Portsmouth on Friday night.
Yeah.
And lie in the bed with the heater on.
Yeah.
Start naked.
Test it all out.
When the police come and knock on my door, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Doing something exciting. Relieving myself after
Yeah.
a stressful few days. But cool. Thanks to Tabitha and Liam
No worries.
for everything that they've done for me. I can't thank them enough, and I'll repay the favour and all that sort of stuff.
Bacon and egg sandwiches.
Yeah. On my
Yeah.
Get all that fitted in.
Exactly. Yeah, it should be good fun though once we get the rest of it done. It's been a bit of a challenge. I think I've set it up right. I'm not 100% sure. Like I haven't set up this system before. And having the C-Tech like battery charger as well as the smart control charger threw me off a little bit. So I'm going into the smart like Victron smart charge controller, then from that into the C-Tech, and then from that into the battery. And I think that's the way it's meant to be done. They sent out a kit, so Rob bought a kit, and that's how they sent out. So I gather that's how it's going to be done. Else I'm not going to be using the C-Tech except for just for the like split charge. So I gather it's meant to do both. So that's kind of how I set it up basically. Whether it's right or not, we'll soon find out when they actually connect the panel up. I don't think it'll do anything like that. I think it might just be a bit of an overkill, but we'll see.
But it's all good though. So
yes.
we're happy.
Yeah.
So cool. We're going to call it a night.
Indeed.
And that's better lighting. Why stand here in the first place?
Yeah, amateur.
Yeah.
Amateur.
He used to be a photographer as well, all about lighting. So we're gonna, I'm tired and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
The Padawan. Yeah, we're gonna have a beer, campfire, and then call it a night.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of the night.
So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to, please don't comment because obviously it's probably doing everything wrong, but we don't care.
Yeah, it's gonna be you done it wrong, you done it wrong, you done it wrong. You're gonna blow up.
Yeah, this is not a how-to video because we don't do that anymore.
No,
I don't anymore. So.
No, it's a how I have done it.
Yeah, this is just my my van life, and I don't care what people think.
Yeah.
So all good. So enjoy. Leave a comment if you want to. Leave like, dislike, whatever. Good, cool. And see you on the next video soon. Bye.
There you go.
People will be like.